He's now based in Miami, and we have, in my company, we want to bring forward the music that's indigenous to the films that we're doing. And one of Elvis's most iconic songs, Blue Suede Shoes, I give Mafia a lot of credit for bringing it forward to kids of today. There's a very big Hispanic market all through the world. And we saw fit to have him take his salsa version and have John incorporate it together with Drake Milligan, who's a young breaking artist that you saw. He was the star of the Sun Records Elvis, playing Elvis Presley on CMT, which is a affiliate company of our partner Paramount.com. And Darius Rucker, who you know sold about 60 million records, is a multi-level crossover artist from Hootie and Blowfish, etc. I just want to thank all of you for coming. This is very special to us. This is the first time after 5.5 years of making. Steve Binder's been my friend for nearly 50 years. Yes, I'm that old. He's older, and so much so that he couldn't be here, but you did see him give a reading to you all. We appreciate you indulging it. Steve is a badass. He's a rebel. He was a rebel then. Still in his heart, he's a rebel today. I think he kind of got next to me because I don't care about what the man thinks. I care about what the street and people think. I give those kind of props to John Scheinfeld as well. He's our director. This is my third project that I produced that John has now directed. He's here. I'm very proud of him because he has the courage of his vision and his convictions with his team, all of which are based with my team led by Bethany Claypool, my son Sterling, who introduced the evening. And I just think it's a very precious thing. There's all these misconceptions about who Elvis was. I think the estate has done a big disservice by constantly flogging the same old thing. And I think that the credit that I really want to give to John and his team is they saw a way, together with Steve and my vision, to bring forward a book that Steve wrote about his experiences and bringing it forward in celluloid. This will play in about 25 countries around the world. We're going to have about 1,000 screens show it 2 weeks before Paramount Plus hits it on Paramount Plus. It will be a huge priority. Tomorrow, we're actually showing it to the entire team at Viacom. But we wanted to do this screening tonight for Joe and the Entertainment Community Fund, who I got close to a couple of years ago. My friend Hank Neuberger, who was chairman of the Grammys, introduced me to Joe, who is also a big mover and shaker in his world. My son Sterling is kind of doing millennial consulting for them now, bringing the precepts of what they stand for, which is a fund to go across all media, stage, screen, television, and everything. And I'm very, very proud. Joe, thank you for allowing us to have this here. Joe and his team, Tom and Doug. And so I just thank you very much for getting the venue and for showing it here, especially in lieu of what's happening with the strike, which I think is ridiculous. I think people should be allowed to have insurance, to live and to work, and to just stand by the courage of their convictions, which is what the fund is about, which is what Steve Binder was about, which is what I'm about, which my friend John Scheinfeld is about. So I'd like to bring John up.